guys, we are doing squishy dumpling unboxing. Oh my god,
I forgot I got it. I already took this off, but I was too excited.
Okay, can't wait. I've been waiting for like 3 days to record this because my phone ran out of battery and I couldn't find a charger. Finally, I got a charger. Okay, so let's go. We got a giant one too. Okay, you first. Okay, close your eyes. 3, 2, 1. Open your eyes. Oh my god! That's so cute. He's happy. Okay, let me try. Okay,
Let me open it. Let me unbox it.
okay. Guys, close your eyes. 3, 2, 1. Oh! It's RMS! It's RMS! It's RMS!
RMS.
Guys, look. Look at this right here.
Okay.
RMS.
Look at this. So anyway, let's give you a full tour. First, we got the face.
Yeah, and then the
color. And then we got the butt.
Guys, look. Guys, look.
We
RMS.
got the yes.
Okay, so, guys, that's it. Peace out.